DJI Avata 2 Two-Way Charging Hub. The DJI Avata 2 Two-Way Charging Hub is designed to charge batteries and allows you to use the power accumulation function and supply power to external devices. Charging the battery. Insert the batteries into the charging hub until you hear a clicking sound. Connect the charging hub to a power outlet using a USB-C charger. The charging hub will charge the battery in sequence, from high to low battery level. During charging, the status LED shows current status. When the LED blinks green, the charging hub is charging the battery. When the LED turns solid green, the battery is fully charged. After charging is complete, the batteries can be stored in the charging hub. Press the battery buckle to remove the battery from the charging hub for use. Accumulating power. The DJI Avata 2 Two-Way Charging Hub supports the power accumulation function. Insert multiple batteries into the charging hub. Press and hold the function button until the status LED blinks green. The charging hub will transfer the remaining power of multiple low-power batteries into the battery with the highest remaining power. When the receiving battery is fully charged, or the output battery level is lower than 5%, power accumulation will automatically stop. To stop accumulating power, press and hold the function button until the status LED turns yellow. After stopping power accumulation, press the function button to check the power level of the batteries. Using the charging hub as a power bank. The battery charging hub can be used as a power bank to supply power to external devices. Insert a battery into the charging hub. Connect the charging hub to an external device. When the status LED turns solid green, the charging hub automatically starts charging the external device. Press the function button if charging does not start automatically. The batteries will be discharged in sequence, from high to low battery level, supplying power to the external device. To stop charging external device, disconnect the external device from the charging hub. Thanks for watching.